Welcome to part 5 on the Bullwhip. We're going to take a look at the Pararail tonight. Here comes Brad. Story time, the guys are saying. Now we got to do story time.
Yep.
So I want to start off with the story of what the front drive shaft is going to be and what's going to happen. Because I think we left everybody hanging pretty good last time. So this bigger bearing on the bottom doesn't go down to a 1-inch. So I can't use a Polaris drive shaft. However, it goes to 1 1/16. That's the size of an Articat drive shaft. Now, I actually have some drivers. Grab them Wall Brothers wheels.
Which one?
The 2 wheels with the big nubs sticking out. Yeah, the big nubby ones.
Yeah, that
No, not those. That's a Scorpion. The other.
Oh, goodness.
See the nubs?
The other nubbins.
See the nubs? The nubs sticking out here? Those are the Wall Brothers. These actually drive in the holes in the track.
Ah, okay.
So these are super positive wheels.
Super positive.
This is a later Polaris shaft, but it's 1 1/16 inch. So I am going to make a custom shaft that's the right length and right offset and all that stuff. So I ordered up 2 of these bearings, but with a 1 1/16 inner
Did you
bore.
say Polaris?
This is a Polaris like an IQ or something.
I thought there was a different name that we were going to use.
Well, it might be it'll be Scorpion eventually. Okay. But these, anyways, I think these are Polaris because they got the ring.
Yep.
They got the bearing on the end that looks Polaris-y. And so anyways, I'm going to be making a custom drive shaft in a future one, and we're going to be running these 8-tooth wall drivers. And then the great thing about these 8-tooth wall drivers is they're going to give me, hi puppies, they're going to give me tons of room at the front of the tunnel. So I think my track decision is made up. I think we're going to probably go for 1 1/4 ripsaw on this thing.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
A little excessive, but I think that's what's going to
I
happen.
love those ripsaws.
Paddle track would be excessive.
Well,
There's some of us without one still. If you guys have one laying around.
so with that said, tonight we're going to tear into the Pararail. Lonnie's in heaven.
This is like bogey wheel nirvana right here. Yep, look at all of
the
those
wheels.
bogey wheels that need bearings, except
Except
we
for
don't get to replace bearings.
you can't. The bearings are very difficult to change in these Scorpion wheels. These are riveted together, and you actually have to grind or machine off the heads of the rivet, punch them out, change the bearing, and then re-rivet them together.
Sounds like a job for Lonnie.
No, it is a massive pain in the butt. So we're going to see what we can do. I might have some other wheels laying around. I have another parts Pararail. If we can, we're going to just not rebuild these wheels, because I have rebuilt a full Pararail full of wheels in the past, and I think my hand's still hurt, and it was 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Put some special lubricant in there.
Yeah, well, people know about the magic bearing juice. They're telling me not likely. That's the fan comments. The viewer comments are saying that maybe I should get a needle greaser instead.
Yeah.
Okay, that's true. A needle greaser would be better than magic bearing juice.
That is true.
The other thing we're going to be doing on the Pararail is we have to move all these 3 outer wheels on each side have to come out about 1 inch. These 3 inner wheels on each side have to go in about 1 inch. So there's machine work involved on this swap. We showed you that in the last video. So we're going to get after it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We got the band back together.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right.
All right. This is a great time to say thanks to the patrons as we're eating pizza. You guys are supporting the channel, helping us keep fed while we work on this stuff. So I want to thank Aaron Shriver, Matt DeFossi, Charles Myers, Alex Sherrill, Brandon Parasu, Dan Hosnute, Mike Jerish, Louis Brady, Jeff Weiser, Brian Peters, and our newest patron, Mitch Klebel. Hope I said that right, Mitch. Let me know if I didn't. And we really appreciate your support and helping keep this project going and maybe put a little pizza in our bellies.
Right on. Thanks, folks.
Thanks, guys. All right, so if you want to help support the channel like the patrons I just listed off, there's a link in the description for the Patreon page. Head over there. You'll get early access to any video that I'm not uploading stupid late at night. Most of the time you get at least a day early, if not earlier. And if you sign up for the $10, they're going to send you another Speed Shop sticker after 3 months. And
Some extra pictures and
yeah,
content.
Extra pictures. Sometimes
Oh, yeah.
we do patron-only videos. And there's been a couple of them in the last month.
Yeah.
So head over, check it out, sign up, and we really appreciate the support.
Thank you.
appreciate the pizza.
All right, we're gonna work on skids now. Yup. Not the right tool.
We might need it.
We might need it.
We might
All
need
right.
I
it.
thought we had to
All right.
some rivets.
No, we're not
No,
starting.
we're not
Well,
gonna do it.
that's a good thing I didn't have that open yet.
Yeah. We're not drilling rivets.
All right, we're gonna start in with the impact and just start taking shit apart. Whoa,
Get the right
that's
size
not
socket.
even a. Well, those are only a half inch.
What?
She
Crazy.
said.
Wow.
Is this a
Why
half
would they
inch?
do that?
I don't know. Okay, hang on.
Yeah. I'm still a gimp.
What happened there? Don't want to discuss it?
Well,
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't either.
Here, I'll just.
I might have had a fight with a wall on the wall one.
Oh.
I fought the wall in the wall one.
Yeah, I was thinking that same thing.
Yup.
There you go. Get those front ones. Grab this one. You can't do that.
Watch me.
No.
Just don't tell my doctor.
What? You need more buckets. Oh.
He needs those
I don't know how many of these are good. That one's crunchy.
the bin.
It's 2.5 gallon buckets.
That one's crunchy.
Imagine the shit he'd have in there.
That one's crunchy. That one's crunchy.
Oh, that's why they're in a box.
That one's crunchy. That one turns, but it's crunchy. Crunchy.
These are all the same, aren't they?
Yep. All right, I'll be right back. We're not done yet.
They all spin.
This one's good.
All right. Well,
We get to take it apart. We get to take apart another one?
let's see how the wheels are. Winner, 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 winner. A little dry. Winner. A bent.
What's the difference
Good.
in these
Yeah.
skids?
Good.
I was just gonna say, why are we taking apart a whole skid?
Two different lengths.
Oh, yeah.
Dry.
It does look short.
Winner, winner, and then we'll be using these back wheels.
We are using those back wheels?
Yep.
Okay.
So, yeah, so we got to knock this guy apart. Get all these wheels off.
Somehow you know what? We should mark these though. We
No.
should mark them for which one's good and which one's bad.
We'll be able to tell just
all
by
bad.
doing this.
Yeah, you can do that.
Well, Farley will help you choose.
It's not too bad.
Farley will help you choose. That one's bad. That one will probably work. Some of these we will probably do needle greaser on, because getting these bearings out sucks.
How much heat does it take, Mr. Nutter?
Until she's red. For quite a ways in. You can tell when it's ready, it won't disappear as fast as it is right now.
Ah, that's the key. Okay.
It's getting there. Didn't like that. Alright. And now, let's try this again. There she goes. Where's that vice grip? She came right out.
All day now.
No, I mean, it's
There it is, folks.
And it's hot.
Yep.
It's really hot.
It's really hot.
But now we can get the pork chop off.
Yeah, not right now.
Well, let's have a beer and think about that.
I like the idea.
Is that how the factory says it remove those wheels?
That's in the manual.
Holy shit, look at that. It's solid.
Oh, well, I had the feeling it would be. It'd just be turned down at the ends.
Yeah, it's just turned down, but we can't even break it loose. It's not.
Well,
it doesn't want to come.
Yeah,
loose
but
in
now
there
we're
at all.
only pushing on one side.
All right, so let's try that again.
No, I don't want to bend those rails.
Yeah, don't bend the rail.
Yeah, I can see where it's turned down.
Gotta move
Sometime later.
the way you were going.
Hammer it which
It's too bad it's all aluminum, because if the rails were steel, we'd just be pulling shit out right now.
We'll
You
be
didn't
back
mushroom that end.
if and when we get this
This
solved.
is mushroom. We riveted it over. We're wrapping it up here for the night. This whole video's been shot on Thursday night. We spent the whole night trying to disassemble Pararails, and it was not fun.
We got
And
a
it
pile
didn't
of
go
parts.
well.
What tools did we have out?
Well, let's see. We used a torch, a grinder,
Sawzall.
air hammer, sawzall.
We used the small torch.
Yup.
What
Oh, we
of,
used the big torch too.
We had the cutting torch out for some
At-
superheating.
At one point,
That's all.
That
Yup.
little lighter.
Right.
Yeah, Dan Carr's all.
Oh,
We pretty
and
much used it all.
the air hammer,
Vice grips,
vice grips, cold chisels.
cold
We had
chisels,
We had cold chisels
Pry bar.
up,
pry bars.
another hammer. So we've been abusing the shit out of our. I don't know if we've been abusing
We
the
didn't- I
shit
don't
out
think
of
we did
ourselves or
anything
the
with
Pararail.
All the implements
What is
of
that for?
destruction have been used.
So we're stopping here. You can see the pile of parts. I mean, this is 2 Pararails. I'm going to do this off camera. And to be honest with you, I'm just going to use the Sawzall and the cutoff wheel, cut off everything right next to the rails, go to the press, and press the stub through. Because that's where we're
They're
at.
stuck good.
Oh, you're wondering what this is about?
Keyword: galvanic corrosion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of the shafts are steel.
They're just
So you're wondering what this is about? That's my motivation.
Coming home with me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
That's the
Axle
track
three.
I'm putting on this sled. So when I'm done, I'll have the Pararail reworked to work with that 121 rip saw. So
Will the sled turn this over?
it's a TXL. It'll ride a big frickin' wheelie. Except for it's a Pararail, not a Polaris skid.
yeah. Then there's that.
Now I want to say it is sort of tempting to put in the Polaris skid, but you got to ride
It's
a
a bullwhip.
Well, you got to ride a Pararail to understand. They ride really good. They feel different. Yeah, and to me, it would destroy the character of the sled. If I wanted it to just be a TX that looked like a Bullwhip, well, I'd just buy another Bullwhip hood and put it on a TX.
Then there's that.
I want it to be a Bullwhip, although,
That's got some TX parts.
well, we're going to have to do
Including the
what we
motor.
have to do to make it work, right? And I don't have time to go hunt down a better Scorpion track. And honestly, the Pararail needed to be rebuilt no matter what track.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be the same work to make new shafts and new sleeves and stuff as, you know, whether it's the stock track or whether I'm going to make it work on this 121. I'm just going to make it work on the 121. There's like an endless supply of 121-inch, 252-pitch
Oh, good.
tracks out there. And I happen to have a super nice one that I've been hoarding away for a special project
Where did you have this hiding?
where you guys don't know. There's no more. This is the
And then-
last
and then there's
one.
that.
This is
I
the
still
last
don't believe
one.
it.
Yeah, but you played your hand. Now we know where. Now we know you have it.
I think he has more.
That's my last one.
I
I'm
think
out.
This is
They
my
still
last
sell
one.
them. They still sell
I'm out. You can still buy them. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks to all the patrons. I've already named you earlier in the video. And,
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
yep.
Yeah, we still need you to subscribe. We're having a great time here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to put your comments in. We love reading the comments. You guys actually have a lot of really good ideas, so thank you so much for all of that.
Yep.
We really appreciate it.
And the Bullwhip is not the last oddball / non-Polaris sled we're gonna do.
Not at all.
We got some skedaddlers on the horizon,
There's
and
an cat coming in soon.
and just Greg wants to throw a bubble nose skidoo up on the table and change the drivers because they
Just
disintegrate.
because.
Just because they're in 38 pieces. So we got a lot more good stuff coming along. The channel isn't all Indies and TXs, although you certainly haven't seen the last of those. So if you like a good variety of sleds, hit subscribe. And happy trails.
See you on the trail.
Rumor has it it's going to snow.
I wonder if they can hear my ice.
It's a rumor.
They can hear your
It's
ice.
all rumor, though.
It's rumor.
Yeah, it's always rumor.
Oh no, it's gonna snow. It's gonna snow hard.
They don't know
I'm
we're
going on
still
vacation
recording.
for the next 3 months.
It's a rumor until it happens. And
3 months vacation. I'm happy.
Yup.
Dream on.
This is
Yep.